wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, everybody. Welcome to our Hope Street Market Festival. 20-year anniversary. We're celebrating all of this because it's our 20-year anniversary. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Here at our Hope, we do a lot of things. Hope Academy is one of them. I am principal of Hope Academy. My name is Zamzam. And Fatima, what else do we do in our Hope organization?
Well, we do a lot of things. We're celebrating 20 years of serving the community. We offer mentorship programs. We offer after-school programming. We offer a lot of cultural program services. And one of our most notable programs is our K-8 schooling, which is open for enrollment. And we started as a small homeschool co-op in 2004. And now we are here today celebrating 20 years of just hard work and dedication. We are here on the campus that we own and just flourishing and celebrating.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. All glories to Ilahi. So enrollments, we are open and accepting, and so inshallah stop by anytime and come meet us. Yeah. Our Hope. Masjid al-Furqan too.
Hello everyone, my name is Fatima and I work with Supportive Child Care Provider Alliance, and we are a nonprofit organization located in Washington, founded by providers for providers, and we assist with all things child care related. We offer a number of services such as health consultations, nutritional support, consultation with experienced providers, training and workshops, grant writing assistance, and support for families looking for childcare. So if you have any questions childcare related, please contact us through our website, where you can book an appointment with one of our staff at scpawa.org, scpawa.org. Thank you.
Thank you for listening. Please make sure to share, like, and subscribe to Runta News channel on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter.